I tried making money online using AI tools for 24 hours with zero experience. And honestly, the results surprised me. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did, which AI tools I used, and how much I was able to make in just one day. So first, I made a simple plan. I decided to test 3 different ways to make money using AI: content writing, design, and voiceover. The goal was simple: try each method and see what actually works. First, I used AI for content writing. I opened ChatGPT and asked it to generate a short article. Within seconds, it gave me a complete result. But I noticed something important: it still needed editing to sound natural. So I fixed it, made it simple, and prepared it to sell as a service. Next, I tried design using Canva. I created a simple thumbnail using a template. It was fast, easy, and honestly, it looked professional. I realized beginners can easily sell this as a service. Then I tested AI voiceover using ElevenLabs. I pasted a script and it generated a realistic voice in seconds. This was actually impressive because it sounded almost human. I understood that this method has huge potential for YouTube and freelancing. So after testing all 3 methods, here's what I learned. AI can definitely help you start making money, but it's not magic. You still need to edit, improve, and put in effort. Out of all methods, design and voiceover felt the easiest to start. If you want to start making money with AI, start simple and stay consistent. And if you want more videos like this, subscribe to TechFlux AI.